Hi, in order to do 4-ball Rubenstein's Revenge, you should definitely be able to do 3-ball Rubenstein's Revenge. The difficulty about adding a 4th ball is that, if you'll notice, the white one, which is the U ball, is going up a lot higher, so that it gives me time to spin my arms around before I make the lower throws, which means that it's difficult to add a 4th ball because there isn't a good place for it. So what we're going to do is, instead of having a real 4-ball pattern, we're going to have multiplex patterns. There is no standard 4-ball Rubenstein's Revenge pattern. The easiest way to do 4-ball Rubenstein's Revenge is, instead of having the U ball, which travels up like this, under each arm, you make it a stacked multiplex. So once you work on your stacked multiplex a bit, you can just integrate it just like this. Still impressive, but not too difficult. The other way to do it is to modify the inner part of the pattern, so that instead of just having a situation where you go like this, throw your first one under the arm, and catch your second one under the arm. Instead, we're going to be doing a modification of that, where we start out here, 2 balls in your upper hand, none in your lower hand, spin around, and then what you have to do is, when you throw it, this is a stacked multiplex too, so when you throw these up, what you have to do is come around and come like that. So you catch the lower one with the hand that's empty. In order to be really official, you should try to claw catch it with your hand face down. And then what we're going to do before we add in the 3rd ball here is, I'm going to notice that after you catch it, you should shift it so it's just in your first 2 fingers, optimally just your first finger like this. Because you're going to have to come around and catch a ball here. But right now, we have the under the arm throw and the under the arm catch. The 3rd ball is just for some flavor. So what we do is, after we throw these 2 up, we're going to throw this one here, catch the blue one, the lower one, as we were talking about, and then swing around to grab it. It looks like this. Now you notice that I had to catch this red one in one of these catches. If you're not familiar with it, it's kind of a difficult one to get. It's important that you come around here, otherwise it looks kind of awkward. So it's the same situation, and when you come around, and the balls have all switched, and now you're ready for the other side, where you throw up the 2 under the arm, and then swoop around. So it's kind of a fast motion, because you have to throw one, catch, and then catch that same ball. So you're throwing, catching, and then catching. Boom, like that. But once you've worked out this a little bit, and you feel kind of comfortable with it, then all you have to do is add in the U ball. So it's just like that.